Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Dandi Syahrul Gunawan. Study number 21 01026. Final examination English. I am student Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta. Study program Chemical Engineering. Upstream from oil industry process in kernel station preparation. What is a kernel station? Station is a core processing station contained in the nut and also produce fuel for the boiler in the form of fiber and cell. In the kernel, process 3 is a vertical separation process based on gravity and density. The purpose of this processing is to separate the kernel from the cell and to prepare it to be processed in the farm kernel processing plant. Inside the kernel preparation station 3 are 11 different tools and processes. Wherein the upstream from oil industry process 3 are 11 process tools. Cake breaker conveyor is a tool that carries and breaks clumps of fiber from the pressing station to the delivery carver, where the nut and fiber from the scrape press will fall to the cake breaker conveyor, which will then be brought to the delivery carver with a blade screw driven by an electromotor. With the working principle of centrifugal or relaxation with a relaxation switch on 72 to 74. Pericarpal, wherein this tool there is a verification of knot and fiber. I think the working principle based on specific gravity. For lighter fraction it will be sugar off and for heavier fraction it will so then little fraction side of fiber will rise to the top, icing a blower section and will become boiler from the heavy fraction. Sauce and nuts will fall down a big the nut polishing drum. Nut polishing drum. This tool function as supervision between the nut and the fiber that is still attached. Where in this the working principle is relaxation, so that the drum will relax in a horizontal position with a relating speed or 13 or 15 trail rpm. Then there's a stones that are still actual to the notch Distance cycle, where is the distance cycle tree is a separation between the knots. So the Steiner cyclone assesses the working principle based on specific gravity. Then the later fraction will rise to the top and the heavier fraction such as knots will go down and enter the silo kernel. Not silo. Silo function as a temporary coring place for the nut before being brought to the river mill. I think the working principle of heating so that the nut silo uses a steam engine which is blown by a fan into the nut silo space. Instead, the nut silo is diffused in through the room with a average temperature of 80 Celsius. For the middle temperature 70 Celsius and for the bottom temperature of 60 Celsius with a time of 24 or 48 hours with a hours to 40 to 45 tons. Ripple mill, where the intention of this tool is to break the nuts. With the working principle of relaxation wherein this ripple mill tree is a rotor bar so there's the seeds will enter through the rotor bar and will expression centrifugal force. which will be moved by an electromotor with rotating speeds with a capacity of 40 LTDS. This LTDS is divided into two parts, namely LTDS-1 and LTDS-2, wherein LTDS-1 is divided into three, namely cells, kernel, and kernel cells that have been broken. Cell however and will be assigned a boiler valve. Then the kernel elsewhere will be taken to the kernel silo and the broken kernel cell will be taken to LTDS2, where is LTDS2 3 is a separation between the cell and the kernel for the cell also will enter the sulfur and the kernel will enter and be brought to the hydrocyclone. Hydrocyclone, where the hydrocyclone function as a separation between the cell and the core by using the working principle based on specific gravity. The cell and core are fed into the hydrocyclone tube and then pumped into the hydrocyclone tube, where in this tube there will be a separation between the cell and the core using media weight. Claybed. Claybed is a kernel and cell separation tool. This process can ice a CaCO3 solution. Mud media and water media will have some factories as a CaCO3 solution and water media with a ratio of 1 milkfish 3. The function of this solution is safe is a separator between the kernel and cell based on specific gravity for the light fraction will float and the heavy fraction will sink and will be carried to the kernel dryer. Kernel dryer. For the kernel dryer function itself a place to dry the core so that the moisture content is reduced. The kernel dryer will be dried using hot air from the steam engine, where the kernel dryer is divided into three parts with an upper temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, a temperature of the middle was in 70 degrees Celsius, and the bottom temperature is 80 degrees Celsius for 5 to 8 hours with a capacity of 42 tons. Kernel storage, where this tool in for core storage before being sent to the PKO factory. For this tool is assist the working principle of heating with a temperature of 50 to 60 degrees Celsius.